Hello everyone. Welcome back to another unboxing with Megs. I wanted to do something a little bit different today with the Littlest Pet Shops. This is the series 4 pet pairs, and I got this at Target. And the one that I'm wanting the most is this little cottage picnic with the dog and the lamb. And then I think the beach bites is really cute with the sea turtle and the seahorse. I mean, they're all cute, but I don't know what this is. If you guys know what this is, I can't tell if it's a monkey or I kind of thought it was a lion at first, but I don't think that's right. So that one's probably not my favorite, so I'm kind of going for this pair or this pair right here. So when I watch people open these, they usually just destroy the box. So that's what I'm going to do because they're all wrapped up on the inside and the box doesn't matter. Maybe it does, I don't know. I played with Littlest Pet Shops as a kid. My sister did too. We would play them together and we had so much fun together, and I just kind of thought this would be kind of a nostalgic throwback for us. So kind of enjoy this. Let's see what we got. No way! I got the little Lammy! Oh my gosh. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love that she's pink. Pink is my favorite color. Her little bobblehead. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm pretty impressed. I'm pretty happy with this. She's cutie. So nostalgic, just like their little eyes and their little bobblehead. And just the little feetsies. I don't know. They're just so cute. Okay, so there's baby number 1. Turn her head a little so you can see her. Zoom in a little bit so you don't have to see all the trash around. Okay, let's open this one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And it's the little puppy dog. Oh, that's what we grew up calling dogs when I was a kid. We called them puppy dogs. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. LPS right there. I love the different colors on it too. Very, I don't want to say realistic. Littlest Pet Shops aren't like realistic art or something, but they are so fun, and the detail that goes into them is really cool. And this one has different colored eyes. That's so cute. So I want to say it's like, what is that dog called? An Australian Shepherd, maybe? That's what it's giving right now. So there's the 2 little babies. Let's see what presents they came with. Little surprises. Oh, it's the little picnic basket with the 2 little treats. So I'm assuming this is like coffee or hot chocolate. I don't know. What do you take on a picnic? I don't know. I haven't been on a picnic in a really long time. So there's that. And then here's the little cake. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And a little basket that it goes in. That's freaking adorable. You guys, I am so happy that this is the one that I got. This is the one that I wanted the most. So I got really lucky. How does this fit in there? Little cake and a little drink. And then there's the little babies. Oh, you guys. This is like so nostalgic for me. Oh my gosh. This one has such a big head compared to this one. That's kind of so funny. Its eyes are massive too. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for enjoying this little unboxing with me. Kind of a throwback to the, not the good old days, but just what life used to be, playing with Littlest Pet Shops all the time and building the little houses and just playing house with the Littlest Pet Shops. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!